And the policeman is an actor. Okay, he's a character. He's an actor. He's a character. He's an actor. He's not acting as a man. He's acting like Texas Chainsaw Massacre. He's an actor. There's not really dead bodies somewhere in Texas at the end of Elm Street. He's acting. Don't bother calling up the police and say, at the end of the movie, I found out the name of the murderer. It's John England, and go get him. You know, and I believe he's at the end of Elm Street in somewhere in Texas. They'll say you're out of your mind. It's an actor. You're out of your minds. A policeman could lie to a drunk. A policeman could lie to a pedophile. A policeman could lie to a crook. A policeman could lie to a rapist. A man can't lie to a man. Can't be done. It's that simple. You said, well, the policeman lied, and he told me this. He told who or he told what? That policeman was acting, and he believed that he was talking to a licensed driver, or he believed he was talking to a unlicensed driver, or he believed he was talking to a drug dealer, or he believed he was talking to a pedophile, or he believed he was talking to a bank robber. He did not believe he was talking to a man because he was not in the capacity of a man. Day one, when they get taught at the police academy, you have no control over your fellow man. You have no right or authority over another man's property. Now, let's talk about licensed drivers. Now, let's talk about crooks. Now, let's talk about drug dealers. Now, let's talk about things. Let's talk about a thing. A pedophile is a thing. It's a what? Let's talk about a crook. Let's talk about a thief. Oh, thieves are people. Oh, really? My dog's a hell of a thief. Oh, I turn around for 2 seconds. She was stealing my shoes. This one's stealing my socks. She's a hell of a thief. Well, you know what we mean, Carl. Oh, you're not talking to a DHR agent. You're not talking to a judge. You're talking to a thing. You're talking to a freaking pine cone or a twig. It's not a man. It's an actor. It's like you're talking to the movie screen.